In this video, we will show you how to remote desktop with Chrome browser. If usually we do remote desktop using software that we must pay for using the full version, using Chrome browser, we can use remote desktop for free. How to do that? In this scenario, I will show you. I will remote my computer or my Windows from my smartphone. In here, I'm using Android phone. I will minimize first for my smartphone, and let's set up the Chrome browser for this Windows into computer that we need to remote later. First, in here, you need to type Chrome remote desktop. Okay, just remotedesktop.google.com. You can see there. You can just click the link. Okay, this is the link. After that, please sign in using your account. Okay, this is my account. After using your account to log in, you can see there is button download here, and there is install button here. You need to click this install button to start installing the remotedesktop.google.com as extension. Okay, now you can click again for this button. After that, you need to wait. After the Chrome remote desktop appear on the Chrome web store, you can see here, just click add to Chrome. It will add the extension to your Chrome browser. Okay, this step must be done. Okay, you can see if your Chrome is newest version, you can see the extension here. Okay, then after that, we can back to remote desktop again. Okay, we can close this. We can click this to download the Chrome remote desktop MSI. Okay, and this is the software. We can click save. The download process is completed, and after the completed, we need to click the accept and install here. Okay, we can double click into the programs that we just download and wait until the program installed successfully, and it will appear the name. Okay, you can choose your computer name. For example, it will appear on my Android later. Okay, this is for the host. We can click next, and this is the pin. We need to type 6 digit. Okay, we can click start after that. Don't forget for the pin, because if you are using another account to remote your computers, I will do two scenario here. First, using this account or the host account using this email, and the second using another account, and we need to approve manually on the host when the guest is need to connect to our computer. If we are using the same account, it will be very easy, but if as guest, we need to approve it on our host machine. Okay, in here, to access another computer, we can click remote support here, and to generate the code that we can remote from another devices like my Android, we can click generate code here. Okay, for the first scenario, let's open my Android smartphone. You can see my computer, this is online, so we can starting, and this is my smartphone. In here, we will do two scenario, first using the same account and the second using the different account, and let's see what the difference there. We need to focus on our smartphone here to start connect into our Windows machine here. First, you can open the Play Store. Okay, and then just download the Chrome remote desktop. Just click Chrome remote desktop. After you select Chrome Remote Desktop, you can just click install here. Okay, start installing. We need to wait until the installation, the remote desktop on Android is successfully look like this. We can click open. If you want to remote the host machine or your computer using another Windows, you need to install the Chrome Remote Desktop MSI like we just doing on our Windows. I will make remote from my Android. Okay, I'm using this application on Play Store, Chrome Remote Desktop. First, I will using the same account. Okay, you can see this logo is the same with my account on my PC. Okay, I will using the same account. Then I will click next here. So you can see there, if we need to connect to another computer, in here we need to using access code. But because we have the same account, you can click this menu. Okay, then select remote access. You can access your computer directly from your smartphone here. You can see my computer has been appear in here and online, so we can connect to our computer. You can see if we using same account, we don't need the approve manually on our host, but we just need to input the pin. Okay, you can see there. Now we successfully, you can see on my smartphone here, I can remote my Windows from my smartphone here. So I have successfully remote my computers. You can see on my smartphone. Okay, and I will drag into here. Okay, you can see on the right side and on the host. Okay, and the remote desktop is successfully using same account. Now the second scenario, we will using the different account, and what step need to be done. Okay, I will exit from this. From my smartphone, I need to log out. I will sign out here, and I will using another account. Okay, you can see here. Then click next. In here, I will close, and you can see there is no menu or no computer host is appear in here, but we need to input the code manually via remote support here. So we need to access code. We can generate access code from remote support and select share this screen. I will drag into here. Okay, generate the code. So we need to copy this into our Android smartphone here. 154723305576, and there is time limitation also here. This code will expire, and we can click connect. And if we are using the different account, we need to approve manually on our host. You can see there. Would you like to allow this email to see and control your computer? We can click share. That is the difference if we are using the same account or we are using the different account to remote our computer using remote desktop on Chrome browser. And I also successfully remote my computer here. And that's all tutorial how we can remote the desktop or remote computer using Chrome browser for free. And there is have many features like clipboard, you can see scale to fit, resize, and I will continue explore about this software or this remote desktop in this channel. So thanks for watching.